Tired of those red notification dots piling up on Discord? Here's how to quickly mark all your messages as read using your phone. Start by opening the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. That's where all your servers are listed. Any server with unread messages will show a red dot or a number next to it, letting you know there's something new inside. Now, to clear the unread badge from a specific server, press and hold your finger on that server's icon for about a second. This long press will open a small menu with several options. From the menu, select Mark as Read. Once you tap it, all the unread message indicators inside that server will disappear instantly. No need to open each channel one by one. If you have multiple servers with unread messages, simply repeat this long press and tap process on each server icon until they're all cleared. Now your Discord app looks clean and notification-free. If this helped you declutter your server list, give this video a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and share it with a friend who needs a little Discord cleanup too.